It's getting under all my fucking nails, making me look mad dirty. Oh god. Alright guys, we have some unfortunate news about the ND. I noticed a little puddle behind the seat, and this is where we're at now. Draining all this water from the back. It's a common problem for the ND. The drains just get clogged. Look at all this water. Literally, this is all from us. I had no idea how long this was going on for, but it's a good thing we're dealing with it right now. The thing that caused this is there's a drain for the soft top that runs right here, and that drain basically gets clogged with debris. So we have a special tool. This is a trumpet cleaner. So this will go in and kind of deep clean the drain. And take a big spring with a wire brush attached to the end of it. We just run this down the drain, clear it out, and let's just stop all this flooding from happening. What you're gonna want to do is put the seat all the way forward and put the recliner all the way forward, and you're gonna want to take this door sill, little kick panel off that just pulls up. Put this to the side, and then there's going to be 3 of these little push clips that you're going to want to take out. Just get your nail under it, pull it out. 1, 2, and 3. And then this panel is just held in by a clip right here. I want to pull on it right here. See it? And it just comes out, one big piece. Put that to the side. When you peek in here, you're gonna see a little tab. It's this tab right here. You're gonna want to push that tab and pull, and it's gonna come out like a little box. Pull this out. Holy! This thing had a lot of gunk in it. All these leaves and debris all over it. This is why it was not draining properly, and there was a bunch of water. So we'll just clean this off. And then there's also, under that box, a sponge. This sponge right here. And you're gonna want to clean this sponge off as well, because this also plays a big role in the filtration system for the soft top, and you don't want this dirty either. So just pull this out from somewhere behind there. It looks like a bunch of debris and buildup, like a bunch of leaves and stuff, so that's not good. It feels like there's more dirt under. Pull it out. Ugh, look at all this stuff that was in there. Alright guys, we're gonna clean this out and we'll show you how everything looks clean so it can drain properly. But in the meantime, we're gonna drain all this water out from behind the seat because it was just pooling in the car since the filter was dirty. We'll cut to those clips of us kind of draining it before we started really recording, because it's a lot of water. So much water. We've done this like maybe 20-30 times already. It just does not end. Yeah guys, don't let this accumulate. I would say maybe check this every oil change or so, just so it's not like all gunky like this, because this is built up from a while. I'm not gonna lie, ever since I had this car I have not cleaned this. We'll pull some stuff out of here. Old leaves. Yeah, just a bunch of old leaves and dirt that collects in there. It's good though, because it's doing its job, but dirty as hell. Oh my god, look at this, look at this. This is literally a layer of stuff. Ready? Oh my god. That's nasty. Don't worry guys, this is old water that's just sitting in the car. This is what it looks like. Alright guys, now we're gonna take our trumpet cleaner and we're gonna put it in the same hole that we got the basket from. It's gonna be towards the front of the basket, where the basket was sitting. And let's just run this down. Pull it out. That's not that bad. Put the filter back in after it's been cleaned. And now the basket, this was cleaned as well. And she's all back in, all good. Hopefully ready to catch more debris and stop leaking all the way in the cabin. Alright guys, and that's all. If you guys have any questions or comments about how to clean it or how I could do it better or what I missed maybe, just let me know, because I still have to drain all this water out. Actually, yeah, let me know in the comments how I should drain all the water out. I'm thinking of just soaking it for a few days and then, I don't know, maybe get like a wet vac or something. But yeah, there's a lot of water in here. But yeah guys, thanks for tuning in and I'll catch you in the next one.